GPS aircraft startup course. First of all, open the remote control power supply. Long press 3 seconds to start. When the remote control power supply is always bright, issue a click, indicating the completion of the frequency. Long press the key of the gyroscope for 3 seconds. Issue a click. Gyroscope correction completed. Long press the geomagnetic key for 3 seconds. Issue a click. Geomagnetic correction completed. Hands holding the aircraft. Placing clockwise, rotating 3 times. Remote control. The device utters a beep. The Y-axis docking is completed, and then holds the aircraft nose downward, rotates clockwise 3 times. The remote controller utters a beep. The axis docking is completed. The geomagnetic docking is successful. The aircraft is put on the ground. Waiting for more than 10 stars to receive. The aircraft flashes on the aircraft. The remote controller emits a beep. The GPS receiving is completed. The remote control rod starts at the same time, and the accelerator remote lever is put up 8 times. You can fly freely.